గొబ్బియలో వీసి వీసి దప్పనేమో తుమ్మ మాను రోగుల్లే గొబ్బియలో గొబ్బియలో.
We have not been exposed to the outside world for many years. After being associated with AHIMSA, we started a self-help group and had availed bank loans. AHIMSA gave us trainings related to preparation of biopesticides and organic inputs.
We had farmers' field schools training in season-long period to know about integrated pest management paddy and peanut crop. Our place has completely transformed from usage of chemical fertilizers into an organic farming. We were interested in organic farming and especially the usage of millet foods.
We had a bountiful harvest of black sorghum once, which we had fried and incorporated into our meal. We used to cultivate millets as rain-fed crops and do proper intercultural activities and beat the harvested crop to extract the millet rice. We process millet rice in traditional way by hand-made. We used to preserve the seeds in huge mud pots from pest and insects. Sometimes we get a huge harvest that we won't be able to pound, so we lost millet crops. After loss millet food, we were used to rice-based food only.
But we felt that present rice foods were causing health issues.
AHIMSA has given us an alternate meal plan with the millets like little millet, ragi, sorghum, pearl millet, kodo millet. AHIMSA purchases the balance harvest which remains after our own consumption at the present rate itself. It was not enough to cultivate the millets, but what to do after that mattered a lot to us. To know about further value addition of millets, we were taken to an exposure visit where we learned the process of making millet snacks. We had no proper exposure until becoming a member in AHIMSA, after which we had lot of learnings. We went to Pondicherry Oroville Solitude Farm once to learn the experiences of Krishna Mackenzie, who is a food forest-based organic farmer.
He explained to us about how to establish a food forest and use the plant litters to generate our own organic fertilizer.
We had this land mostly idle except for cultivating fodder for our cattle yearly once. After getting connected with AHIMSA, they gave us saplings of timber like rosewood, silverwood, tea, red sandalwood, mountain beer, custard apple, guava, mango and moringa, and these have been giving fruits now.
AHIMSA gave us many tree saplings. This is mountain beer. This is wild amla, this is jamun tree, and this one is Malabar neem. We have struggled to get this leaf to make decoction during COVID times, but now happy that we have one in our own land.
We have understood that hybrid trees won't suit this area and have focused to grow and distribute native tree species from this nursery. Tamarind, moringa, mahogany, jamun are few varieties that we grow and distribute freely to our farmers with the support from AHIMSA.
We got great awareness from AHIMSA, which has upgraded our life from being careless about our food to being food conscious now.
We went to an exposure visit to Nilakottai to learn about moringa products that gave us a new dimension. Usually, we plant moringa and harvest only the fruit, where the leaves got wasted. After seeing the value-added products of moringa leaves, we got new interest in making them.
We went to Vanagam Namalvar Ecological Foundation through AHIMSA for a 2-day training program to learn about beekeeping. We have seen honey being collected from trees until now, but there it was differently cultivated in wooden boxes. AHIMSA took the initiative of giving us beekeeping boxes without any cost. We have got our first harvest of honey, and our happiness is indescribable.
We are now conducting a seed festival in our school for which AHIMSA has given their hands of support. They gave us seeds of traditional varieties and have already given us several herbal plants to create awareness among our students. The aim of this seed festival to understand our rich agro-biodiversity system is to create awareness and educate our students about native varieties, especially millets, which is done every year, and we are thankful to AHIMSA for their support.
With AHIMSA's support, we have created a school-level food forest in our school. The harvested greens and vegetables are being used to cook breakfast and lunch of our school students. We are educating our students about chemical-free healthy food along with AHIMSA. They gave us all the training, input materials, seeds and seedlings regarding this. Students have got to know more about seeds and plants in this seed festival. We strongly believe that they would follow a healthy diet in future through such an exposure.
Our ancestors Mr. Namalvar and our founder Mr. Inasi have led us through this path by holding the hands of our farmers, and we still follow them for the past 35 years. AHIMSA aims to protect our soil and our people.